Are you looking for the best miter saw? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saw. The 5th
that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Product on our list is the Bosch Power Tools Corded Dual-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The Bosch Power Tools GCM 12SD 12 inches miter saw comes with a sliding arm that allows the user to cut boards up to 14 inches wide. The saw comes with pull-out material supports on both sides to stabilize boards up to 40 inches long, and it cuts compound bevels in both directions. The clear saw guard on the Bosch miter saw is designed not to obstruct the user's view of the cut throughout the entire process. The trigger handle features an ergonomic grip that can be used by either right-handed or left-handed users just as comfortably, and it features a padded non-slip grip. Fences are adjustable, and the miter scale numbers are etched into stainless steel for durability. During testing, we found that the Bosch saw truly does belong at the top of this list. First, it has a zero-clearance slide arm that can sit up against a wall if necessary. The arm is also super smooth for making accurate cuts. Also, there wasn't any assembly to deal with, and there are lots of additional references for roof rafters and valley cuts built in. The dust collection was outstanding, and the motor is super powerful. The only qualms anyone might find with this saw is that it's a little heavy for carrying around the shop, and there aren't any lasers or lights. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt 12-inch miter saw. For around the home trimming and cross-cutting, the DeWalt 12-inch single compound miter saw has all the power and precision necessary without a large price tag. It cuts boards up to 8 inches wide and cuts bevels in one direction. It comes with a slide-out fence that extends to help support the board being cut. For safety, the DeWalt saw also features a mechanism that automatically locks the spring arm in the down position unless it's manually unlocked with a button on the back. Testing revealed few bells or whistles, as DeWalt chose to focus on accuracy and power over features. We like how light this saw is, especially compared to the much heavier sliders. The hold-down arm used to lock wood in place is awkward, and the single bevel does limit this saw's capability, but the locking detents for the blade angle are some of the best in the test. The quality of the saw definitely exceeds the price. The 3rd product on our list is the Craftsman V20 7-1 divided by 4-inch sliding miter saw kit. The most significant benefit of the Craftsman V20 is its small footprint and lightweight design. Also, the ability to use it even when electricity isn't available is a plus. Lithium-ion batteries are getting more powerful, and this miter saw can make up to 585 cuts through a 3/4-inch medium-density fiberboard on a single charge. It accepts a Craftsman 20-volt rechargeable battery, which is included along with a battery charger. This miter saw features a powerful motor that spins the blade at a rate of 3,800 rotations per minute, making it well suited to cutting wall studs, baseboards, and molding with ease. It also slides, making it possible to cut boards up to 8 inches wide. We weren't exactly sure what we'd find with the Craftsman V20 saw, mainly due to its weight and the large number of plastic pieces, but it was easy to put together, it cut well, and it was shockingly quiet. We could see using this saw for projects like flooring or trim work, though it did handle the construction lumber. Our only real qualms were the plastic and the single bevel action. Second on our list is the Makita LS0815F slide compound miter saw. For woodworkers looking for a miter saw for the workshop or to take on a job site, this Makita tool doesn't disappoint. It cuts boards up to 12 inches wide, and it features pull-out material stabilizers to support boards when cutting. Weighing in at only 31 pounds, this miter saw is easy to transport, and it bolts to the work table for stability. The Makita saw comes with a dust collection port, and for added safety it features a trigger brake that stops the blade from spinning when the user releases the trigger. It also comes with a soft start that reduces movement and increases accuracy. The saw also cuts bevels in both directions. We like this saw's smaller blade, as it appears not to deflect like a 12-inch saw might. The motor was powerful enough for a smaller saw, but the cut capacity was outstanding. The soft start is a little rough, giving the saw a bit of a chattery feeling until the blade speeds up. Our other complaint is that the blade will not tilt to the right, limiting the saw's capability a bit. Finally, the top product on our list is the Metabo HPT 12-inch compound miter saw. The affordable Metabo HPT 12 inches miter saw with laser guide cuts bevels in both directions and comes with a powerful 15-amp motor to boot. Thanks to the laser feature, the cut line is easy to see on the board before cutting, which will reduce errors. The Metabo also comes with a pivoting fence to simplify cutting crown molding. This full-size saw comes with an elastomer-coated handle designed to reduce vibration, hand fatigue, and hand slippage. This is a nice and unexpected feature on a more affordably priced saw. There are definitely some pros and cons to this saw. It has plenty of power for cutting through just about anything carpentry related. The laser is also a nice feature, as it makes lining up cuts quick and easy. It's also not terribly heavy, thanks in part to the lack of slides. However, the blade on our model wasn't square, so we had to adjust it before it would cut correctly. Also, the lever for adjusting the saw's tilt is awkward and non-intuitive.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.